All right, we're working on another Land Rover. Behind me I have a LR4. This is a 2016. I actually really like this body style, but this vehicle had a sharp dent right here in the quarter panel. This area didn't have access for us to get our PDR tools behind it, so we're using a technique called glue pulling. This is another option that we'll try to use if it's a candidate. There's a lot of limitations to this process. We have to use these hot glue and put them on tabs and repeat that process over and over until the dent is removed. This is a way that we can do this as long as it's original paint, and we don't have to take anything apart when we use this process. So if you have damage like this and would like to find out if your damage is a candidate for paintless dent repair, get in touch with us at thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. That's 512-290-4245. Also, we're conveniently located here at 201 Industrial Boulevard in Cedar Park. I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop. Thanks for watching.